Have a Ford and Duden day.
Hi, my name's Andrew Ford, co-founder Ford and Duden Air Conditioning. Today we'll be explaining why it's important to regularly clean the filter of your wall split air conditioner and how this can be easily completed at home. The filter on your air conditioner helps clean and filter all the air that passes through the system. Whenever your air conditioner is switched on, your filter is working. Ford and Duden Air Conditioning recommend cleaning the filter once every 6 to 12 months, depending on the usage. If you have pets, allergies, or children, this can be as frequent as every 3 months. It's important to never perform the work on your air conditioner whilst the system is running. Locate the wall controller or remote and be sure to switch the unit off. Wait until you hear no sound coming from the indoor unit. Now that the air conditioner is switched off, it's time to start work. Safely stand on a step ladder so that you can reach the wall split. Lift up the front panel by undoing the clips on both the left and right hand side, and this reveals the filter. Sometimes you may need to remove a filter protector off the front. This will depend on the model of the air conditioner you have. Carefully remove the filter from inside the air conditioner without damaging the other components. It should come away with little force. If the filter is stuck, do not attempt to force the filter free. Instead, call Ford and Duden Service Department. Take the filter outside and clean it using the hose. You could also clean the filter using the brush head attached to a vacuum cleaner. Leave the filter to dry before reinstalling. Now that the washable filter is dry, carefully reinstall the filter. If the filter is damaged at all, call Ford and Duden to purchase a new filter. Do not run the air conditioner without a filter installed. Now that the filter has been cleaned and reinstalled, clear the filter reset icon on the remote control. Switch the air conditioner back on and enjoy the clean, cool air that the air conditioner will bring you. Make a note in your calendar for 6 or 12 months' time to repeat the process. If at any time it makes strange noises or doesn't perform as it should, turn the system off and call Ford and Duden Service Department. Thanks for watching.
Have a Ford and Duden day.